Here's how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and then send it to another wallet. So first you want to make sure that you actually have money in your Cash App account to be able to buy Bitcoin with. To add money, you want to click on your profile picture in the top corner. Then scroll down and under Account and Settings, click on Linked Banks. And then go ahead and link a payment method. Once you've gotten that set up, you just want to come back to the Cash App homepage. And you want to click on the icon in the very bottom left corner. For me, it says $5. For you, it may be another dollar amount. Go ahead and click on that. Then click on Add Cash. And now here's where you can transfer funds over to Cash App. Now to actually go ahead and buy Bitcoin, we're going to close out of this. And then right below Add Cash, we're going to click on Bitcoin. Then we'll scroll down a little bit and click on Buy. You can then choose how much you want to buy here, or you can press on these three dots and enter in a custom amount. For this video, I'm going to select 4 and click on Next. Then it'll show you a little page here so you know exactly what you're buying, and then click on Confirm. Now once we've bought our Bitcoin, to go ahead and send it to another Bitcoin wallet, we need to go and click on this paper airplane icon, and then click on Send Bitcoin. Now here you can go ahead and enter the amount you want to send. You'll notice at the top under Send Bitcoin, it'll show a number and then BTC available. That number is the amount of Bitcoin you're able to send. So if I enter in 4 again, you can see right under that the amount of BTC I'm sending. So once you've entered in your amount, you can go ahead and click on Send. Now at the top here, next to 2, you want to go ahead and enter in or paste in the Bitcoin address of the wallet you want to send your Bitcoin to. So your Bitcoin address is going to be a long sequence of letters and numbers like this. And once you've entered that in, go ahead and select your wallet address right here. Go ahead and confirm it, and then click on Next. You then may need to go ahead and verify your identity by showing a driver's license or something like that. Then you're going to be asked at what speed you want the Bitcoin to be withdrawn. Once you click on Next, you should be taken to a confirmation page showing how much Bitcoin you've withdrawn. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.